How's it going, James?
Oh, hi.
We're here for the unboxing of James's 9-bot kick scooter. It's by Segway. Let's just get right into it because we're excited.
Do you want
Apparently this thing's got like, just get into it, James.
Oh.
Max slope 15%. We got max speed is 17 miles per hour, so that's 28 kilometers an hour for you Canadians. It's got a 9-inch dual band density for tires. We're looking at some LED lighting here that's going to come off the tire as well. It also comes with triple braking system, a front and rear LED light, comfortable quick folding action so you can store it away easy. And the ticket price on this, guys, was $1,000 Canadian.
And $1,000.
Yeah, $1,000
Canadian tire.
1,007, yeah.
There you go.
Okay. Is it hard to get open or what?
Yeah, it is.
This thing is huge.
It's really huge. Oh. Holy.
Oh, what do we got?
Look at it. It's like, I'm going to want to keep the box for it.
Yeah. So should we lay it flat and pull it out, or
Sure.
you need a hand?
I'm sure.
It's pretty big, eh?
Yep.
How much do you think this thing weighed?
Probably a lot.
Yeah. I'll hold this up for you.
What?
I'll hold it up.
Oh, there's parts in here. There's just some instructions, I guess. What's there? Ooh.
Don't force it out. Just grab the... Wait. Leave that on.
Alright.
Maybe.
Check this out. Oh, I don't know. It's really huge.
Oh yeah, just slide it out. Yeah. You got it.
Don't mess it up, you
Don't
know?
break it.
It's really hard to get out. It's hard to get out. It's like...
Well, use your man strength, dude.
Yeah, I know. Just on like an angle. Like this. Alright.
Do you want some help?
No.
I can pull the box and you can pull the scooter.
No, there's this little... What? This isn't the way I got
There you go. Get that out of there.
No, it should just slide up. Holy.
Crazy.
Look at the wheels.
Cool.
Look, it has like a little thing when you turn.
Yeah. It's got a nice kickstand too. Cool.
Suspension's on it.
That thing is huge.
Okay, don't scratch the table.
Yep.
You're scratching the table. Pick it up. Yep. I'm gonna put that down. You can put it on top of there.
I think there's more in it. I don't know.
Crazy. This thing's awesome, James.
Yeah, there's still something in it. Handle. Look at this.
That's your handle that's gotta go on it?
Yeah.
Dude, that thing's huge.
Look, that's how you do it. You gotta. Okay, right here. And here's the on button, I think.
So we got the thing together. It's pretty freaking cool. It's huge.
Wait.
How heavy do you think it is, James? About
Pretty heavy.
40 pounds?
Yeah.
Dude,
Yeah.
that is top notch, that thing.
And there's a safety on it too, so it doesn't like fully spin up. Stop.
Cool.
I have a question.
Yeah, we'll do another little video once we get it charged. Okay, so we got this thing up and going.
I did get my helmet.
James gonna get a helmet on and try it out. It's pretty cool. Apparently it goes like
30 kilometers an hour?
yeah, something like that.
28.
28 kilometers an hour. So that's cool. Hey Haley, you like it? Are you gonna bite the tires? Yeah? Oh, you are. Okay.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, he's ready to go.
You're super psycho.
Haley, come here. What the Okay, you not like it? Or?
Okay, let's see this thing go, dude.
I don't know how to work it.
Don't you remember? You did the safety video.
Yeah, but it just told me to go. Ew.
Just go!
I'm gonna start on the flat.
Wow.
He's gonna be like the better.
Hey, you!
Wow, James.
What? Whoa!
Is it fast? Show us what it can do.
Holy! He's not even pedaling a bit.
Cool.
Holy crap.
Does it work good?
Yeah?
Go fast.
It's not fast as it goes right now.
Are ya?
What?
Well, that's not that bad, I guess. Oh yeah, there it goes.
I don't want to go too fast.
What?
He's going downhill a bit.
He can't stop himself.
You got brakes.
Dude, that's a stop sign. That means stop.
I thought you were just smoked him.
He-
You should go faster when it's fully charged, too.
Oh yeah. You can get upgrades for it too.
Really?
2 batteries, yeah. Cool. Well,
Thing is sick.
that was the unboxing of the Segway 9-bot.
Tells you how much it goes right here.
Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe, smash up that like button, and watch our next video. Peace.